Hi everyone, I'm Jen Sheffer and welcome to this brief tutorial specifically for math teachers on how to access excellent content in Discovery Education. So to get started, you'll be in your Discovery Education teacher dashboard and you're going to click on Browse Subjects. From there, you're going to scroll down and click on Mathematics. And you can see here, there's a variety of topics. There's numbers and operations, measurement, data analysis and probability, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, and problem solving. And within each topic, there are additional subtopics. So if I click on numbers and operations, I'll see number concepts, arithmetic, patterns, and sequences. You can see here in the top left, you can click on whichever grade band you teach, and then you can see the types of activities that are available. So there are studio quiz activities, and there are also PDF activities. Depending on the topic that you choose, you'll also find full videos and video segments. We also have measurement, and within there, you can see there's quite a few different subtopics, everything from area and circumference to volume, weight, distance, money, perimeter, measurement process, scale, temperature, time. So quite a few topics in the measurement category. Next, we have data analysis and probability. Within that, we have data analysis, data representation, probability, and statistical design. In algebra, you'll see coordinate systems, functions, equations, and relations, patterns and sequences, and real number systems. And then in geometry, you will see analytic geometry, geometric proofs, plane geometry, and solid geometry. And then the last two topics, trigonometry and calculus. Doesn't look to be too many topics in there. I'm not sure if this is something that Discovery Ed needs to work on, adding more content for trigonometry, and the same goes for calculus. There's a few videos and video segments within that category. And then finally, you'll see problem solving. Within that, we have math connections, mathematical communication, mathematical reason, and problem solving strategies. And what's great about the math content area is Discovery has put together quite a few real world videos so that students can really gain an understanding of how math is used in the real world, in their everyday lives. And we'll answer that question that they may ask: how and when am I going to use this in the real world? So really engaging content. You can see here there's EA Sports, there's the NFL. So I would encourage you, if you teach math, to take a look at what's available in terms of topics. And I will also be curating videos for you and adding those videos and activities in the district folder appropriate to your grade level for elementary, middle, and high school. So I hope you will explore Discovery Education and bring some of their content into your math classroom. Please contact me if you have any questions, or if you'd like to collaborate on bringing this great platform into your students' work life. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.